Hello everyone, my name is Kyla Sutton and I am a first semester graduate student in the special education program. So I'm going to be presenting assistive technology that I found in my classroom. And I'm more so focused in on assistive technology that was considered to be low tech. So without further ado, let's get started. So now, when we think of low tech assistive technology, it's pretty straightforward and it can be considered cost effective. It's a great tool that can be utilized to enhance a student's learning environment and also a regular individual's everyday life too. So now, low-tech assistive technology can be found in the classroom or in an office setting and in our houses, believe it or not. So now the low-tech technology that I found was a planner or a personal organizer, a highlighter, and a whiteboard. So now let's get started on planners. Planners are like one of my favorite things to utilize. If you see towards the right corner, that's my planner on my desk. Now, implementing a low-tech assistive technology tool such as a planner can be definitely beneficial to a person's everyday life. One, it provides you with structure, such as, okay, I'm doing X, Y, and Z today. You can align your schedule as well as putting down tasks that you need to complete. And they have different planners where you can customize it with different colors, different stickers that'll make you want to write in your planner. This planner is considered to be is commercially off the shelf. So meaning that it can be purchased online or in stores such as Staples, Walmart, Marshalls, and even Michael's as well too. So let's go ahead to the next slide. And we are going to touch on highlighters. So I think highlighters can definitely be a beneficial tool and can definitely be utilized within a classroom setting as well as your own personal life. So for students, it would be beneficial because, let's say for an example, they may have a reading that they were focusing in on and they have to come up with the main idea. That's definitely beneficial for students because they would be able to reflect back to that reading and be able to identify that main idea in an efficient manner and pretty prompt. So utilizing a highlighter can be beneficial with textbooks and novels, and as well as, let's say for an example, you use it in a work setting. You may have a particular procedure that you need to complete, and an important part of that procedure needs to be highlighted. So there's definitely benefits with having a highlighter in your everyday life. So now a mini whiteboard. So actually this is another great tool to utilize because a whiteboard can be used for multiple occasions. A whiteboard can be used as a tool to remember important dates or to list grocery items that one may need. In a classroom setting, a whiteboard can be utilized to break down complex activities or assignments and unfamiliar words or equations. And whiteboards are considered to be commercially off the shelf as well and can be purchased at Walmart, Staples, or a teaching resource store. And just to jump back on highlighters, highlighters also are considered to be commercially off the shelf and can be purchased at Walmart or Staples as well. Let's go next. So in conclusion, to sum up this presentation, individuals with or without disabilities can benefit from assistive technology. Whether a device is low-tech or high-tech, assistive technology assists us to achieve our academic goals as well as activities of daily living. Alrighty. Thank you, and this is my presentation. If anybody has any questions or concerns for me, please shoot me an email. Okay? Thank you so much, and take care.